there has been work done now that has added more complexity to this. You know, it's not quite as simple as in we're in this system or we're in this system. I really loved when Dr. Grandin gave that example of these different emotional systems being like the what's it called, like an audio mixer, and the sliders on an audio mixer. You know, so we might have these two slid up, these slid down, and I think that's one of the times that we see conflict behaviors. And I'll talk more about conflict behaviors as we go through this, give you some more examples. But a conflict behavior is something that we see the horse do when they're, you know, they it can happen in clicker training, if depending on how that's done, how food is introduced, where we see a horse that maybe they're scared of something, if clicker training is being used to try to get a horse to interact with something that they're fearful of. So we still see some of these fearful responses, but at the same time, we see this desire, we've caught seeking for the food, and we see this conflict that starts to emerge in the horse, which can actually increase their tension. And depending on the context, that can actually increase some of the problem behaviors. We can see aggression come out of that, and some other things that we would consider to be problem behaviors.